Hello everyone, let's do some horizontal scrolling things. So this is well known horizontal scrolling things and it is also shown by Webflow University. I have followed the same way but in different style actually. So it's performing 100% and perfectly, and it has a less effort, less calculation than the university one. Okay, so let's start. Let's enter in the workspace and bring a section. Okay, so for this section let's name it section and some basic styling of 100 ph height and flex to center. Okay, and let's bring a heading that will tell that horizontal animation, scrolling animation start. Okay, and let's duplicate this and let's go to last one and just let's change the start words to int. That's it. Okay, now let's bring another section between these two sections and let's name it as horizontal animation section. Okay, let's just make it flex and flex direction to column. Okay, let's bring another a div here. Let's make it horizontal display. Okay, so let's do some styling of 100 VW width and 100 VH height. Okay, let's make it display to flex. Okay, so now let's bring another div log here and let's name it horizontal animation card wrapper. Okay, and let's bring a card. That's why let's bring a div log here. Let's make it horizontal animation card. Okay, for this let's do some basic styling of horizontal card wrapper to display to flex. That's it. And horizontal card, let's make it display flex and center, and let's bring some images here. Let's name it horizontal image. Okay, so let's do some styling here. 100% width, 100% height, and fit to cover. Let's grab its parent, that's card. Let's make its overflow to hidden. That's it. So let's duplicate it for several times. Let's go with the 4 cards only for now. Let's change the images randomly. Okay, so you can see these horizontal cards are appearing all the 4 here. So let's do some more styling here, like 100 VW width, and no need to put any height here, but do not forget to put the sizing to none. Okay, so the setup for the display is set, but we have some words to make it position to relative and display it will be sticky, and top to 0. So let's take another div block as a trigger. So this will be horizontal trigger. Okay, let's make its height 100 VH. Okay, keep in mind that never forget putting its height above the 100. If you make its width under 100, it will not work properly. So let's go selecting the horizontal trigger. Let's go to interaction, and for the interaction let's go with the while scrolling in view, and let's start a play scroll animation here. And for the animation let's click on here, and let's select the horizontal animation card wrapper, and let's go with the move. Okay, so for the first time fast, that is 0%, no need to go anywhere, that's why 0% here. And the custom, you can select any one, but I am going with the basic one. Okay, let's select the 100%. Here just a small calculation. Okay, that is, there are 4 cards here. If I put 100% to move to the left, that is minus 100%, blank space will left. Okay, so no need to keep any blank space. So let's do some calculation. 4 times 100 divided by 4, that is 25. So let's keep one left, that is 25 left from 100, that will be minus 75%. Okay, that's it. Let's save it. Okay, let's put some linear. Okay, let's go with the basic one. So let's save it. And there are small thing, that is when element is fully invisible, let's change it start existing. Okay, so this is done, totally done actually. So let's check how it performs. Sorry. Okay, so here is our final product. Here if you start scrolling, it's scrolling, good news. But yeah, it's touching the top. Yeah, it's moving to the left. Okay, let's see how it's in with. Yeah, it's perfectly moving, perfectly doing the animation. So thank you for watching the video, and thank you for everything. So bye for now. Let's see together with another video. Thank you very much.